We need to make this happen, guys. We need to.
It's time, brothers. Let's do this.
Let's go.
Hello? Bill? Hello? Bill, is that you? Bill?
Oh my God. That was close. Did you see him come out?
No.
No?
I didn't, man.
Oh, this is not good. This is bad. Something's got to be wrong. It's got to be. Hey,
Oh, yeah.
hey, are you okay?
I'm all right, brothers. We got to be more careful.
Yeah, we do. Did you get the stuff?
Yeah.
Let's see it.
I got it.
See what you got.
Right into this world all alone. God takes your soul, you're on your own. The crow flies straight, a perfect line on the devil's bed until you die. Gotta look this life in the eye.
All right, brothers. So the way it stands right now, we need about $7 to get these tattoos.
How much do we have?
As of now, $2.
Well, Jimmy still owes us about $5 for those water guns.
And why the fuck haven't we been paid?
Every time I call, Jimmy needs 2 more days.
It's not an excuse, brother. We need that money.
Have you seen Jimmy? Scary as fuck.
Who gives a shit? We need these tattoos to make our club legit. Legit clubs have legit tats.
Yeah, people will take us more seriously if we get them.
All right, let's take a vote. Get our money from Jimmy. I'm yay.
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 I'm a yay, brothers.
Yay.
Yay.
Shut the fuck up,
man.
Shut
Shut your dirty mouth, you're a fucking chair.
Chair.
You're a fucking chair, man.
It's settled then. We go get our money from Jimmy.
There she is, guys. Right over there.
Oh, shit.
Get her!
Where are you going?
Where do you think you're going, Jimmy?
What's going on? Where are you running from?
What's wrong with you, pal?
You're not happy to see us?
How's that new gun, Jimmy?
Great, I love it.
Jimmy, it's a nice setup you got here. It'd be a shame if something were to happen to it. Where's our fucking money, Jimmy?
I don't have no money.
Jimmy, we need our fucking money now.
I don't have no money, I'm broke.
We need that money right now.
Where do I get it?
I don't give a shit, Jimmy, okay? We need that money right now.
Well, what do you expect me to rob a bank? I don't have no money.
We're not playing games, Jimmy. We will destroy all of your toys.
Okay, I know where my mom hides her cash. Let me go get it.
I'll go with her.
Yeah.
Sure, brother?
I got this, brother.
Brother. You better find that money. Better
Got
not be
this, brother.
playing.
All right, be safe, brother.
All right,
She's
man.
slippery, brother. Take this.
Thanks, brother. Let's go.
All right, man. Be careful.
Thanks, brother.
You guys suck.
Stop whining like an 8-year-old girl.
I am an 8-year-old
Shut up.
girl.
Keep walking.
Yeah. Here we go, brothers.
Yes, sir.
Brother.
Oh, got it. Yes. Oh my God.
What do you want?
We're here to get tatted.
Let's do this.
Making time, shooting the line for people to believe in. Things you say, gone in a day. Everybody leaving, everybody leaving. Why do we have to carry on? Always singing the same old song.
The street light's on.
But Ma, come on!
Do you want to be grounded?
Come on!
Get inside now.
I gotta go, brothers.
Really?
That's what it is, man.
Street lights
Stay
are on.
5 more minutes.
Street lights are on. I can't do nothing about that.
Easy,
What
brothers.
are we gonna do now?
Oh, you guys gotta go home.
Leave it, brother.
Take it easy, brother.
Sleep tight. We'll see you
Got church.
tomorrow.
All right, brothers.
Right into this world all alone. God takes your soul, you're on your own. The crow flies straight, a perfect line on the devil's bed until you die.